I love giving good gifts. From the smile on someone's face when they unwrap it to the joy it brings when they use it, gifts show others we care and bring wonder to our lives. But finding the right gift for someone can be hard. We often find ourselves grueling over an amazing present for mom or our best friend when there are helpful hints all along the way that can make gift giving a blast. If you've ever felt the creative struggle associated with gift giving, this class is for you. Hi, my name is Holly Hungerford. I'm an author, entrepreneur, and lover of all things people. You can often find me cozied up with a good book or hanging with my close friends and family. But when I'm not out and about traveling, I'm making plans for those special moments, which often include great gifts and the people I love. As someone who prides themselves in giving amazing gifts, I can't wait to show you some practical ways to find the perfect gift. Join me for Gift Giving 101.